Hello everybody, welcome back. This is about a night later, and I just pulled this out, and it looks pretty, it's not as good as I thought, but it looks like a little bit rusty. This is a plumber tape. I put in just easier to separate the plastic with the with the wood. There's a glue down there, so it looks, I know it looks pretty solid actually. Yeah. Pretty, not bad, yeah, pretty solid. That's all I wanted, I said maybe I can paint a little bit. Sorry, yeah, let me pull back a little bit, sorry. Maybe I should paint a little bit, and for myself, I think I just rather than leave on that. It's solid, and it's do the job, and then I put this back on. You see, yep, you see like that, and you see the hole, and the screw is pretty straight. Pretty much cover everything. I don't even need to paint it. All right, that's not too bad. And this one here, this is the second one. I use the same trick. It's a 1.5 inch hole, so I put a 1.5 inch plastic lid down there. This one just a purpose for separation, the plastic and the wood. And I know it's not that pretty. It's kind of dirty, but it's solid. It's pretty solid. Holy shit, pretty good. I think I call this okay. Yeah, the screws is good. I just replace back and put them back with the original screw, and see this one. Let me see. Okay, this one. Yep, this one a little bit tough. Let me see. Yep. All right. Okay, I just need to smooth out a little bit on the edge. I put a little bit more. Sometimes this is more than. It's probably more than I easily I can take this out. I just use a kind of a sword or something to I have like a small knife or something to rough it out, and then I will put it back in. But basically the location is pretty solid actually. You see this one here? Yeah, the hole is there, and all right, I won't bore you with the rest of the work. Pretty much put it back, and as long as the edge is solid and hold, and it should be good for a while. That's all what I wanted. So nothing, it's just some basic stuff, and basically the trick, the improvising I found out is using this one to cover this up, and then holding refill the wood dust and the glue. That seems, it's not that pretty, but it works for me. I call it for a week. All right. Thank you very much for watching this, and if you have any good ideas, please write it down. I'm more than happy to read it and reply you. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.